Hey guys, Silva here. So just a quick update video on this James and Max end of year special offer. Now today is the last day of the launch. It's not a launch as such. What I mean, they did launch the offer a week ago, okay? And today is the last day when you can pick it up at the very, very discounted price. So you see guys, so it's $18 now. All of the products from 2024 that they launched, I mean each of them individually, okay, was $17. So this is like a crazy Christmas bundle deal, the so-called end of year special, right? Where you're getting 9 of the best-selling Warrior Plus Deal of the Day awarded products for the price of 1, okay? So this is something you don't want to miss out on. You see, I am scrolling through all of the products you're getting here access to, okay? And these are the vendors. Why? Because, you know, the training courses are very innovative about something all around, most of them around AI, how to make money with AI. AI is something we have free access to, but very few of us know how to squeeze the best out of, say, ChatGPT or image generating AI, platforms. So they will guide you, walk you through the process of making money in various ways, using the power of AI. So over the Christmas, you may have some free time. So go through these products. Trust me. All of them are very, very unique, original ideas on an actionable, real ways of making money online. Now, I also wanted to shoot this update video because originally the price was $29, okay, the special price, 29. And then the vendors decided to actually decrease it to a crazy amount of $17. But after today, since it's the last day of the launch, the price will be most likely going up to, I don't know how much, but I was talking to Max and he said to me that they're thinking of increasing the price after the last day of the launch, which is today. So I know a lot of you have already taken advantage of this offer, pick it up from me as well, which I am very grateful for. Great Christmas present for me. And of course I have a crazy bonus bundle as well that you will see on my written review. So the link to this written review that I am scrolling through right now is right below in the description box. So go check it out. If you haven't picked it up yet, if you've been on the edge, more like on the edge, I'm very often on the edge, on the fence, shall I not, okay, then, I just want to assure you these are quality training courses. I have reviewed them as they launch in throughout 2024 individually. So you may want to check out my reviews to every single of those 9 products, okay, these ones, and see the value you're getting. So here are my bonuses. Go check them out. They will complement this offer and add value to this crazy offer like, there is no tomorrow. And guys, what's most insane about this offer is that not only are you getting lifetime access to all of the 2024 top tools and training programs, but also giveaway rights, meaning you can use them as bonuses for your affiliate campaigns or use them as lead magnets. Imagine having a lead the whole training course as a lead magnet, how valuable that would be. So a great way to start growing your email list with free methods. I mean, if your source of traffic is free, like YouTube or a website, social media, this and that. Of course, we know about paid traffic, but that's another story. All right, guys, love you and leave you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.